Hello, I'm Tiddles Turtle. Today I'm gonna play Piggy 2 for the first time. This is probably the first time you've ever actually seen me play Piggy, let alone Piggy 2 or Piggy 1. Same time, but 2 shall. Oh, not loading. Oh crap. Get the key, man! Get the key! Get that key! Shout out to whoever that was. Ooh. Shout out to him. Shout out to that guy, definitely. Yeah, it's your coins. This is a new account. So I spent all my coins on Officer Doggy. I have been playing this before. I have. Hopefully we can test out the new Officer Doggy skin. Because I haven't. Let alone spending 15 hours getting it. Let alone that. Still. Oh yes, infection. Yeah, infection's a bust. And then I can just die by being in there. Oh! 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 Oh well. Stuff goes the way it's supposed to go sometimes. Yes, Matthew is referring to Matthew Waffy. I can admit, Night Cherries is Matthew Waffy. I'd like to admit that. And yes, the pig from the first Piggy episode is a girl and is my girlfriend. Factuation. Die, stupid peasant. Oh, they're running into me. 'Cause fuck. Oops, didn't mean to say that. Sorry. I said that. Sorry. You know that, I'm pretty sure, like, Popeye the Sailor Man, I'm pretty sure, backwards is, yes, give me a /fuck. Oh, yes, give me a now. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Barney? I don't even think I can cover what it is. I'm pretty sure it's too inappropriate for this channel. Even though I just said fuck. Why do I keep saying it? Why am I trying to get my channel monetized? I'm never gonna get any money. Okay, I'm just gonna say the Barney song backwards for the benefit of the doubt. I'm making a risk on my YouTube channel, but it is backwards, like after school we meet Barney. Barney can be your friend too if you just join with A10. But it backwards is Barney is so gentle, we sleep with him, we're making out with him. Can't believe we got that stupid spell. Smell. Man, we have to buy some slippers and some sushi, no. We're back and we slay a Christian man. That's a good song. Like Barney. Barney, was this intentional? Because I hope. Goo goo gaga. Goo goo gaga. Goo goo gee.
Eso me lo estoy inventando.
Sadly. I wish this is like can't collide so I can go right through it. But sadly, hell no, Minitune. Behind this, god damn it. Can't see that. No!
Mateo, ya vengo, ¿no?
Yeah.
Ok, papá. Mela, ya regreso, mami.
Bye, creator of this channel.
No, ahora regresa.
Okay. Bye, creator. My creator, my existence. Bye. Yes, it is actually the creator. And I might credit the voice actors. Just might. Just might. Barney can be your friend too if you just join with Agent. Open the door and like boom, dead. Smack it up. By the way, the reason why I have colorblind mode on because the actual actor for me is colorblind. I don't know if you knew that. I don't know if you know the actor's name. He's quite a famous YouTuber, if I do say so myself. Okay, I'm not famous, but I have a YouTube channel, okay? Subscribe to it, it's called Matthew Loffy. Barney can be your No! Damn it! I'm so mad! Go. Yes, maybe tomorrow I might do a live event. All of you will be watching. Maybe I'll do a live event. Maybe it'll just be a normal video. And I might play Among Us. Yeah, sure. I'll play Among Us tomorrow. You know, I'll play like what's it? Henry Stickman. You know, all the other popular things are coming really big now. You know, all of those stuff. I'll do that tomorrow. Subscribe if you want more from Henry Stickman or Among Us. But besides that, that's the end of our video. Tee-hee. Bye-bye.